Hey, yo, yo, yo. This you got Terry. Just giving y'all a little sneak peek of the Hami over here. Um, Hami is what we use to trade for us, trade the forex market. And um, it's just you don't even have to know how to do this. You don't have to know what's going on. It's just gonna happen. I already got it set up. Market don't open till tomorrow. But I'm just ready to you know, get this going. So, you know, everything is good. Everything is all good. Just ready to get it going. Just, show people, what can be done when it comes down to this. All right.